Hi friends, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you the February-March Love Goodly box. So we're going to open it up together. I subscribe to this and I get a box like this every quarter. It's an eco-friendly, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free subscription box. So it comes with a little card that tells you what's in it. So it says that everything in here is worth $84 plus. So it kind of breaks it down to about each product and what they do and everything else, and they give you a coupon code to save some money at their shop. And this box supports their charity partner, which is Farm Sanctuary. So let's see what we got. First, I see a coupon for Bistro Plants Please Gourmet Plant-Based Meal Delivery. Wow, so I get 20% off a la carte if I want. So wow, that's pretty cool. You can choose from over 50 plant-based meals, weight loss plans, or juice cleanses. All right. I do like to eat. I like to eat healthy. Buddha Bowl Foods, Himalayan Pink, Organic Popcorn. Cool. So this should be a nice healthy snack to take with me to work. It has 100 calories and there's one serving in the container. So it's gluten-free, organic, kosher, non-genetically modified, whole grain, good source of fiber, and the popcorn is cholesterol-free. Wow. Okay, you can ask for anything more. So it says that the ingredients are as pure as the Himalayas, and it has extra virgin organic coconut oil and pink Himalayan salt and popcorn. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, okay, this looks kind of cool. It says Lash Love, nourish lashes and brows, organic castor and hemp oil. Oh yeah, this stuff is really good to grow your lashes and eyebrows, so I can't wait to get started with this. Doesn't really have an aroma, it's just pure oil, so definitely going to use this. Alright, what else do we have? We have Sourced Vital Apothecary Jasmine Eye Balm. You lightly apply a small amount of cream around the eye area and use day or night. Okay. Ultra rich eye cream designed to visibly improve appearance of fine lines in the crow's feet area around your eyes for all skin types. Okay, so let's open it, see what it looks like. It's unscented. So let's see how that feels. So when you apply eye cream, you want to use your ring finger because it's like your weakest. You want to apply the least amount of pressure around there. So it actually feels really, really nice. So you put it around the brow bone. Don't put it like right next to your eye. It won't work. All right, so that's that. Okay, wow, look at this. My Shell Dermaceuticals. I've been using their brand for a long time. So this is fruit enzyme scrub, bamboo extract, and jojoba oil, beads, exfoliate, and refine for normal skin. So this is EWG verified with the Environmental Working Group to be non-toxic. That's pretty cool. So let's see how this looks. So they've been rebranding their packaging for a long time, and this is the latest version. I think it looks pretty cool. So it's right on the package. It says it's vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO, certified gluten-free, and recyclable. The container's recyclable. So 24 months shelf life. Can't go wrong with that. It smells like most of their stuff. I can't really put my finger on what it smells like. Maybe a little citrusy or something. The ingredients are not on here. The ingredients are on the box. So I'm probably smelling cranberries. That's what's in part of one of the ingredients. So cool, I can't wait to try that. Okay, this stuff is like one of my favorite lip balms. I actually have some of these. This is a Hurrah Vanilla Bean Lip Balm. I'm a sucker for a good lip balm, and this really goes on really smoothly and keeps my lips nice and smooth. So yay, I can carry that around. Derma E Essentials Overnight Peel. AHA's exfoliant facial. So it looks like travel sample size. You apply generously to a clean face before bed, leave on overnight, and rinse thoroughly in the morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, that's pretty cool. So AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids. That's to like exfoliate and brighten your skin. So it's 100% vegan, GMO free, cruelty free, and eco-ethical. Okay, I'll give this a try and let you guys know how it works. So this is the end. So this comes with a little Jasmine Eye Balm instructions and ingredients, because this didn't really, I mean, had the instructions on it, but not the ingredients. So this breaks it down and tells me exactly what the ingredients are. So so cool. So that was the Love Goodly box. I'm gonna give you my personal invitation code to join or save some money on their products. And if you like the video, please leave me a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.